Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market, so you can make an informed choice before you buy. Today, we're going to talk about the best dishwasher cleaning tabs, active dishwasher cleaner deodorizer tablets. If you're tired of that funky smell coming from your dishwasher or struggling with hard water stains and grime buildup, these tablets are the solution you've been waiting for. Active dishwasher cleaner tablets come in a convenient 48-pack, providing a 2-year supply for normal household use, making them perfect for anyone who wants to keep their dishwasher in top shape with minimal effort. Whether you're dealing with a household dishwasher or a commercial unit, these descaling pods work wonders on all brands, including Bosch, Whirlpool, Frigidaire, and Samsung, to name a few. Just pop one in the detergent compartment, run a cleaning cycle, and you're good to go. It's that simple. These tablets are packed with a deep cleaning formula designed to break down tough grime, grease, limescale, and hard water buildup. The citric acid powder works effectively to remove stains and mineral deposits, leaving your dishwasher sparkling clean. Not only that, but it also eliminates odors, so your dishwasher will smell fresh every time you open it. The powerful foaming action ensures that every corner of your dishwasher is cleaned, even those hard-to-reach spots. If you're using hard water, this product is a game-changer. It's engineered to tackle the toughest calcium deposits, which can clog up your machine and affect its performance. These tablets are septic safe, so you don't have to worry about any harmful chemicals being released into your system. They're designed with your home's health and the environment in mind. The best part? Active dishwasher cleaner tabs are perfect for routine maintenance. Use them twice a month or as needed to maintain optimal dishwasher performance. No more wondering why your dishes come out less than clean or dealing with the annoying smells that seem to linger. With these tablets, you can keep your machine in great working order without hassle. So, if you want to keep your dishwasher in pristine condition, get your hands on the active dishwasher cleaner deodorizer tablets. They're easy to use, effective, and budget-friendly. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of top products that make your life easier. Thanks for watching.